Duke the Dog, written by David Lee and illustrated by Aurora Aguilera. My name is Duke. I love to dig holes. Santi is my friend. He says I am his best friend. I spend all day with Santi. I even sleep in his bed. Santi puts me on a leash. Santi and his mom take me on a walk. I see a squirrel and start to chase it. Santi holds my leash tight. The squirrel gets away. Santi takes me to a pond. He lets me off of my leash. I run into the pond. I love to swim. I run up to Santi and give him a big wet hug. Santi throws a ball. I run after the ball and catch it. I love playing catch. Santi walks me home. He gives me a bone for being a good dog. I sit with Santi to watch the sunset. I am one lucky dog. The end.